In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Bybit account verified full guide. Getting verified unlocks higher limits and keeps your account secure, and the whole process only takes a few minutes if you're prepared. Have a stable internet connection, your government issued ID, and good lighting nearby, then follow along. First, sign into your account on bybt.com or open the Bybit app and log in there. Make sure you're using your own account details and that the app is up to date. If you're on mobile, allow camera permissions so you can complete the identity check smoothly. Once you're in, tap or click your profile icon. On the website, it's usually in the upper right corner. In the app, it's on your account or profile tab. From the menu that appears, go to account. This takes you to your dashboard where you can manage security and personal settings. Next, open account info. This is where Bybit keeps your personal details and verification status. Look for the identity verification section and choose Verify Now. This starts the Know Your Customer flow that confirms your identity according to local regulations. Choose your country of residence exactly as it appears on your legal documents, then select the document type you want to use. Depending on your country, common options include a passport, national ID card, or driver's license. Use an unexpired original document and make sure the name, date of birth, and address match what's on your account. If you're asked to upload photos, take them in bright, even light, keep the entire document in frame, and avoid glare or heavy shadows. You'll then complete a live selfie check using your webcam or phone camera so Bybit can match your face to the document. Position your face in the frame, remove hats and sunglasses, and keep a neutral expression unless the prompts ask you to blink or turn your head. Hold the camera steady and follow the on-screen instructions until you see confirmation that the scan is complete. After you submit everything, most verifications are approved within a few minutes, but reviews can take up to 48 hours. You'll receive a notification or email once it's done. If you're asked to resubmit, it usually means the images were blurry, the document was cropped, or details didn't match. Retake the photos in better light and try again. That's it. By following these steps, you'll get your Bybit account verified with minimal hassle and be ready to trade with added security and higher limits.